Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change the anti-phishing code in Binance. Now let us begin. Well, do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. It's quite easy. We have also created a tutorial regarding that as well. Now let's simply look at how to change our anti-phishing code. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply go to your profile. At the top right next to deposit, you will see your profile button right here. Click on it. Well, once you do, you will be redirected to this page. From here, as you can see, there are multiple options. But right now, what you need to focus on is simply this thing called as account. Click on it right now. And guys, as you can see, once you click on it, these things opened up. From here, let's simply click on security. And guys, this is it. This is the page that we are looking for. From here, simply scroll down, and in the Advanced Security tab, you can see something called as Anti-Phishing Code. Currently, as you can see, I have already enabled it, and now I want to change it. I'm simply gonna hit on change right now. Once you do, this thing will open up. From here, as you can see, this is my old anti-phishing code, and I want to change it. So I'm simply gonna click on this button here. Now what it's gonna prompt me to do is simply enter my new code. I'm gonna enter it right now. Let's say this is my demo anti-phishing code. Once you've done that, simply hit on confirm. Then it's gonna ask for your verification. Simply complete both of them using the Authenticator app and email. I'm gonna do it right now. And guys, that is it. As you can see, my anti-phishing code has been changed. That is it guys. That's how we change your anti-phishing code in Binance. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.